Good morning everyone, I am Rohit. I am a student topic on benefits of electricity and disadvantage of electricity. First benefit of electricity, that the electricity makes our work, every work easy, and nowadays the people use the electricity according to yourself, and so there are many benefits of electricity. And nowadays mostly things are being made with electricity, and electricity is necessary for every place, and everyone use the electricity. And in summer season we have to use electricity so much because of to get the cold air, and we can only get the cold air from our AC and the cooler, and we have to use electricity, that's why. And in factories they need to make anything electricity, and electricity takes different forms, that so coal and water, wind, hydro, and nuclear and solar. And without electricity telephones line would be lost, would be down, and the phone signal would be lost. And if we talk about the disadvantage of electricity, it has many advantages also, like climate problem, environment problems of electricity, that environment problems of electricity, the water pollution and the air pollution, electricity, and fossil fuels, such as are coal and natural oil and natural gases used to generate the electricity, and non-renewable things can lead to generate the electricity, and it polluted very much in this our world. And we have to pay the bill every month. That's all.